Nice rainy day in Georgia. And hey y'all, taking the day off. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around while there's some light and cooking up some good food. And so yeah, here we go. My little camp in my little silo. Got that outhouse right there. So yeah. So yeah, I'm not on trail, but still kind of feel like I am. And yeah, check this out. Got some good food going. Some asparagus, and mushrooms, and hot dogs. And got garlic and pepper and balsamic glaze. Rocking on these bad boys. So yeah, I mean I had someone say, so man, what's it like being homeless? And I'm like, I'm not homeless, I'm rentless. So the plan is to get a van, hopefully within the next few weeks, and yeah, build that out, and then I am mobile and rent-free. And I'm working as much as I can physically. I'm booked out solid for a while. So yeah, doing the next couple days will be attic installation. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that one, but I had some good time building some steps for a beautiful woman down to the river, and working on the deck, and putting a hot tub, and then putting a roof under her upper deck so she can sit outside when it's raining like this and enjoy her river. Also built a big fence, privacy fence, and then sanding and staining a bunch of wood for a sauna and a pool house. And what else? Building a little garden bed and a vertical garden bed, utilizing the center blocks, and they'll be like, there'll be a three-dimensional garden. I'll get pictures of that. And then building an outhouse. So, yeah, I'm booked up solid, and plan is to get back on the trail, on the actual trail. And I'm not sure my timeline. I'm actually thinking about probably July. Try and work as much as I can, and save as much money as I can to get back on the trail. And yeah, fly up to Maine, and then head south, be a Sobo. And my 2-year AT flip-flop. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. But right now, I do feel like I'm living on trail, but I feel like I'm living like a king, So life is good. I hope y'all are doing well. And I'm just sending love out there. And I hope you're feeling it, and thanks for checking in. All right, peace, y'all.